Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're jumping into, well, the really cutting edge world of AI tools.
That's right.
We've got a whole stack of sources here, insights pulled straight from a recent group discussion.
Yep. Real world experiences.
And our mission really is to pull out the best, most actionable stuff for you. We want to help you navigate this incredibly fast-moving AI landscape.
Exactly. We're focusing on productivity, content creation, business optimization too, especially I think for Amazon sellers listening in.
Yeah, definitely.
We're going to uncover some maybe surprising facts and definitely some hands-on techniques you can use, like right away. This is all based on how people are actually using these tools right now.
Think of it as your shortcut, maybe, to getting genuinely up to speed on practical AI. Okay, let's dive in. Where should we start? Content creation seems like a big one. Podcasting, maybe?
Oh, for sure. It's making things so much more accessible. Like we heard this story, right, from someone in the group discussion. 0 podcasting experience. None. They literally just typed how to start a podcast into ChatGPT.
Right.
And, it didn't just give a list.
No,
it gave a full step-by-step plan. Even pointed them to free platforms like Spotify. It just demolishes that initial hurdle, that big scary learning curve.
Oh, yeah. Turns an idea into something you can actually do fast.
Exactly. In minutes.
And it's not just text generation, is it? I was really struck by hearing about tools like Notebook LM.
Oh yeah, Notebook LM.
Taking hour-long client sessions and turning them into actual podcast episodes. Ready to go.
Yeah, polished, ready to listen. And you can even bake in custom instructions, like for sponsorships. So it could automatically add an intro saying, sponsored by AdamAi or whatever.
That's pretty slick.
And think about the workflow. Start with video, maybe just a static image on YouTube, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then AI helps you flip that into audio for Spotify. It just makes that multi-channel thing, which used to be a real pain, super, super quick, almost automated.
That definitely streamlines things. Huge win for scaling content. Okay, let's pivot a bit. Mastering ChatGPT itself. Because there's more to it than just typing questions, right? It's about making it work for you.
Absolutely. Critical point here that came up. Managing its memory. Are you actually doing that?
What do you mean, telling it to forget stuff?
Yeah, exactly. You got to go into the settings, prune it, toggle off old conversations, or even delete ones that aren't relevant anymore. One person found deleting all the old project stuff before starting fresh really cut down on what they called AI drift.
Ah, so it keeps the responses cleaner, more focused.
Yeah, clean slate, they said.
Yeah.
Hyper-focused on the new task.
That's a great tip. And then custom instructions. We heard a lot about those too. How do they help?
They're fundamental. You're basically teaching ChatGPT your style, your business goals, your brand voice.
So it sounds like you, consistently.
Exactly. It makes the AI your AI tailored to what you need, not just generic output.
Makes sense. Especially when you think about the different models. And, everyone assumes GPT-4 is the best for everything, right?
Right, that's the common assumption.
But that wasn't quite the story we heard. There's some nuance there.
Huge nuance, yeah. So GPT-4, great for creative stuff, image generation, that kind of thing. But for analytical work, data, numbers, even just straightforward writing.
Yeah.
The group consensus was that GPT-3, or specifically the O3 model, uses advanced reasoning.
Yeah.
It just gives, frankly, way better results for that kind of work.
Better than 4 for analysis.
Consistently better, yeah. And get this, the tasks feature we're talking about. It requires the O3 model.
Okay, wait. So if you've been using GPT-4 for data analysis and it feels kind of,
Try switching to O3. Seriously. Might be surprised.
That's a massive insight. So GPT-3, the O3 model for the heavy lifting on data.
Yep. For raw number crunching, statistical stuff, O3 seemed to be the winner in our talks.
Mm-hmm.
GPT-4 can interpret data creatively, maybe, but for pure analytical output. O3's reasoning engine seems stronger.
Okay, so that leads us to this tasks feature, only on the O3 model. What exactly does it do? Sounds powerful.
It is. It lets you automate recurring stuff. Daily tasks.
Like what kind of tasks? Give me an example.
Okay, so imagine setting it up once, right? And then every day, ChatGPT emails you updated crypto prices. Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever you want. USD, CAD.
Wow, okay.
Or daily stock recommendations. Maybe the top 3 safest, highest return dividend stocks. Poof, in your inbox.
That saves a ton of manual checking.
Exactly. Or even daily Facebook posts for a business. We saw someone automate posts for AdamAiXpert with specific rules. Needs this kind of hook, this tone, this call to action. Done automatically.
It's like having a little virtual assistant you just set up once.
Pretty much. And you can edit the tasks later, tweak them. The results come via email, usually with the link that takes you right back into that specific chat thread. Keeps it all neat.
Okay, that level of automation is definitely beyond just simple prompts. It's like building your own little AI helper.
Which brings us perfectly to custom GPTs or bots. This is where you literally craft your own specialized AI.
Right, so not just a fancy prompt. What's the real difference? Why build a custom GPT instead of just writing a detailed prompt each time?
It's about automating the front-end work, as one person put it. You build it once for a very specific, repeatable task.
Yeah.
Then instead of typing out the whole context and instruction set every time, you just run the bot. It's instant.
Okay, that makes sense. And building them isn't super technical.
Surprisingly simple, apparently. You basically just talk to the builder, tell it what you want, configure some details, give it a name. It even helps make an icon.
Huh. Any cool examples?
Yeah, there was a fun one, the Daily Recipe Buddy, just for personal use.
Okay.
But for the Amazon sellers listening, the Amazon Listing Optimizer, that one sounded incredibly useful.
Tell me about that one. How does it work?
You feed it an ASIN, the Amazon Product ID,
Right.
and bam, it spits out an optimized title, 5 really concise bullet points, a detailed product description, and even generic keywords.
And it knows what keywords are good.
Yeah, apparently it identified SEO oil silver spray as a top keyword for one product and put it right in the title. That's like direct, actionable optimization that could take ages manually.
That could seriously move the needle on sales. Wow. Did it stop at listings?
No, customer service too. Like a bot called London's Choice Natural Laboratory, specialized in natural health stuff, silver products. It could handle customer questions accurately, keep the info consistent.
Like an expert agent.
Exactly. Or another one, a customer review response enhance bot. Made sure all the replies had the right brand voice, the right tone, super consistent messaging.
Okay, that's pretty advanced. And you can feed these bots specific information, like a knowledge base.
Yes, key. For that Amazon listing bot, you could upload examples of your past successful optimizations. Give it a library of what works for you.
And capabilities. You mentioned enabling all 4.
Crucial. Web search, image generation, code interpreter, data analysis. You want to check all those boxes when you build it. Gives the bot its full power.
Right, lets it search the web for current info, make images, analyze data. The works.
Exactly. Makes it a much more comprehensive tool. And you can publish these, share them. There's even talk of a marketplace eventually. Monetization potential.
Interesting. An ecosystem of specialized bots. Now, quickly, something called the temperature setting came up too. Controls creativity.
Yeah, it's a parameter, usually like 1 to 2. Think of 1 as sticking very closely to the prompt, more factual, less wild.
Okay.
And 2 lets it get much more creative, maybe go off on tangents a bit. People suggested maybe 1.5 is often a good middle ground, worth playing with.
To know. But it's not all perfect, right? People mention glitches, things not working.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's still evolving tech. People mention Canva links generated by ChatGPT sometimes just don't work. Might be a connected apps issue, free versus paid accounts, who knows?
Or just the system freezing up, being slow.
Yep, high user traffic can definitely cause slowdowns or freezes. It happens. Usually temporary, part of the growing pains, I guess.
Good reminder to be a bit patient. Okay, let's shift to visuals and marketing. Some really next level stuff happening there.
Absolutely mind-blowing. Google AI Studios and their VO3 model. That's what everyone was calling next level for video.
VO3, what can it do?
Creates video from text prompts or even image prompts. You can screen share with it and interact directly. We saw a free example. Someone made a dog and a cat playing in the snow. Pretty impressive.
Okay.
But the paid VO3. Someone showed a tutorial clip, this little film bit, and the reaction was basically, are you crazy? Like, the quality's insane, photorealistic.
Wow, so much better than older tools. What was it? Kling AI, Runway?
Yeah, it makes those look dated pretty quickly. Though, important note, some of these video generators still don't do audio yet. That's often a separate step.
Right. What else in the visual space?
Photo Room for quick image edits came up. Midjourney, of course, for really high-end image creation.
Standard tools now, almost.
Yeah. But here's a surprise. Generating 3D models.
3D models, ha.
From just 4 photos. Front, back, left, right. You upload those, and AI can build a 3D model. Think about that for Amazon products.
Oh, skip the expensive 3D rendering. Huge for product pages, maybe even AR try-ons.
Exactly. Game changer potential there. And a couple more niche tools for sellers. Trace views?
What's that?
a service specifically for fighting negative Amazon reviews. They work with Amazon on your behalf. Costs about $250 per removal if they succeed.
Could be worth it, especially for new products.
Definitely. And lovable.dev, building websites or apps just from text prompts. Quick landing pages, though you still need your own domain.
Okay. And briefly, Convergence AI and Mantis for general automation.
Yeah, I just mentioned as other tools in that broader task automation space people are exploring.
Got it. So, bringing this all back to Amazon strategy, we've talked about AI optimizing listings.
Right, those custom GPTs analyzing ASI, suggesting better titles, keywords, bullets.
But the crucial next step, the thing everyone emphasized, A/B testing. Constantly.
Absolutely critical. You have to test. Amazon lets you test A plus content, bullet points, images, titles.
And the idea is to use the AI suggestions as one version in the test.
Precisely. Use the AI's optimized version as your version B in Amazon's Manage Experiments tool.
And Amazon figures out the winner.
Yeah, that's the beauty of it. It tracks performance, sales, conversions, whatever, and automatically switches to the winning version. Someone showed results where one image, version A, was clearly doing way better, and Amazon just makes it live.
So you're always improving based on real data.
The takeaway was simple. Always have an experiment running. Always. It's a continuous optimization loop. AI suggests, you test, Amazon implements the winner.
That's how you stay competitive. Okay, let's try and wrap this up. We've covered a ton of ground today.
We really have. From, personal AI hacks like managing ChatGPT's memory and using tasks to these really sophisticated business tools like custom GPTs for Amazon, advanced video AI.
It's all about gaining that knowledge quickly, but also deeply, right? And then actually using it.
That's the key. Experiment. Try the free version. See what clicks for you. The real power comes from actually getting your hands dirty with these tools.
Totally agree. So we really encourage you, just start exploring, apply some of these insights, see what happens. And, as we've seen, AI is weaving itself into basically everything digital now. It makes you think, well, consider this. How long before these AI tools start, anticipating what we need, completing tasks before we even ask? What does that do to our relationship with technology, with information itself? Something to ponder.